done with regard to any litigant, which should not be. Malad, this is now taking a thing a bit too far.
And this is wrong. I would हमारे rejoinder को record पे नहीं लिया जाएगा. It will be miscarriage of justice, my lord.
This is your duty to look after your case. It is not my duty to look after your case. तो ये adverse burden नहीं हो सकता है कभी भी. I have, like you said, you have respect for me. Yes.
Ma'am, recusal application, I filed my rejoinder. That may kindly be taken on record.
I may be given only 60 seconds, my lord, to put things in perspective, so that there is no wrong narrative starts. But on 13th of this month, the party in person desired that he wants to argue in person, my lord, which I did not oppose, my lord, nobody opposed. He, my lord, argued for about an hour. But thereafter, my lord, he left after being informed that the matter would be concluded today. The counsels on his side, my lord, also argued. Thereafter, I argued. The rejoinder submissions were made and the judgment is reserved. Now, let me make it very clear. Throughout the country, before any court, be it trial court, high court, or Supreme Court, before any honorable judge, the moment the matter is reserved for judgment, Lord, no pleadings are taken on record. That's the rule followed uniformly throughout the country. Nonetheless, the party in person came, my lord, thereafter and said, I want to file an additional affidavit. Lord, to which I said that, all right, I have no difficulty, though I knew, my lord, what is coming. I said I would file my written submissions because I was also conscious that there cannot be any pleadings which can be filed. He filed his additional affidavit after the judgment was reserved. Thereafter, my lord, I filed my written submissions. Lord, anywhere in the country, before any court of the country, there is no procedure of filing a rejoinder to written submissions, my lord. Lord, please do what this honorable court would have done with regard to any litigant, which should not be, my lord. This is now taking a thing a bit too far.
And this is wrong. I would like to say on that particular day, I had clearly said we would like, Mr. Tushar Mehta said that he would like to file a reply. We said
I
we would
said
like
I
to
would
have
file
just
written
one-
submissions, which I
Yes,
filed.
So we said we want to have a copy of the written submissions and we would like to file rejoinder. आपने मैम अलाउ भी कर दिया था कि लेकिन वो ऑर्डर में आना रह गया. आपने कहा था रिजॉइंडर फाइल कर दो बट इट को सो अब रजिस्ट्री एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रही है. इट में जस्ट काइंडली बी टेकन.
I'm sorry, let me remind the honorable court.
CBI filed its reply on 16th.
Not a reply, it's
17th
written
morning.
submissions.
17th morning we filed a rejoinder. रजिस्ट्री में एक बार स्टेटस भी आ गया था एक्सेप्टेड ऑन रिकॉर्ड. सडनली द स्टेटस हैज चेंज एंड दे आर सेइंग रिजेक्टेड.
So there is no status change, my lord. Again, imputations against the registry has to stop.
अदरवाइज मैम ये जो कह रहे हैं इस जो सीबीआई ने रिप्लाई फाइल किया है,
It is not a reply, my lord. Let us be clear. He is guided by many lawyers. Let him try and understand, my lord, what is the
filed by CBI reply. तो अगर हमारे रिजॉइंडर को रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं लिया जाएगा, इट विल बी मिसकैरेज ऑफ जस्टिस, my lord.
My lord, he argued everything which a lawyer would never have argued.
Now one second. See, बार ये बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए. आपको तो कतई नहीं बोलना चाहिए कि मिसकैरेज ऑफ जस्टिस हो जाएगा. फॉर दिस रीजन कि आपको आउट ऑफ द वे जाके इस कोर्ट में जिस वक्त ये कोर्ट रिजर्व कर चुकी थी ऑर्डर, मैंने आपका एक एडिशनल एफिडेविट ऑन रिकॉर्ड लिया जो नॉर्मली किसी भी आम आदमी के लिए नहीं किया जाता. मैंने फिर भी, क्योंकि आप सेल्फ रिप्रेजेंटेड थे, इसलिए मैंने आपका एफिडेविट ऑन रिकॉर्ड लिया. रजिस्ट्री आपकी कोई भी प्लीडिंग इसलिए नहीं करती, और ये आपको भी मालूम है क्योंकि आप सेल्फ रिप्रेजेंटेड हैं और आपने फर्स्ट डेट पर ये बोला था कि मैंने किसी को ऑथराइज नहीं किया ऑन माय बिहाफ टू डू एनीथिंग इन कनेक्शन विद दिस एप्लीकेशन. इसलिए आपके बिहाफ पर आप ही को पेश होना पड़ेगा और तो कोई पेश नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि आपने नहीं किया है. आप मेरी बात को खत्म होने देंगे, आप पहले वेट करिए. तो आपने ही बोला, तो आपको रजिस्ट्री का एक रूल है, वो रूल सभी के लिए फॉलो होता है, तो वो रूल आपके लिए फॉलो हो रहा है. आप जो भी प्लीडिंग फाइल करेंगे आपको पहले यहाँ से परमिशन लेनी पड़ेगी जैसे बाकी लोग लेते हैं. आप ये कोई एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी केस है भी नहीं, ना कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी है. ये एक बिल्कुल सिंपल केस है जैसे बाकी लोगों का होता है. अब मैंने जो लास्ट जब इसको रिजर्व करने के बावजूद मैंने आपकी एक प्लीडिंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड ले ली. जब उन्होंने अपने रिटन सबमिशंस फाइल किए, आपने कहा मुझे कॉपी दे दी जाए, हमने आपको कॉपी दे दी. दिस वे ही इज राइट दैट देयर इज नो प्रोविजन इन लॉ कि आप रिजॉइंडर फाइल करें रिटन सबमिशन का रिजॉइंडर फाइल नहीं होता. बट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि शायद आपको ना पता हो बिकॉज यू आर नॉट अ लॉयर, तो शायद आपको नहीं पता होगा। तो रिजॉइंडर कभी उसका फाइल होता ही नहीं है, उसका कोई फाइल नहीं होता। आपको रिटर्न सबमिशन फाइल करने की मैंने एक परमिशन दी थी, आपने रिटर्न सबमिशन फाइल ही नहीं किया, उसका भी टाइम खत्म हो गया। और जिस दिन आप कोर्ट से गए थे तो आप परमिशन लेके खुद गए थे। दिस इज योर ड्यूटी टू लुक आफ्टर योर केस, इट इज नॉट माई ड्यूटी टू लुक आफ्टर योर केस। तो ये एडवर्स बर्डन नहीं हो सकता है कभी भी। आई हैव, like you said, you have respect for me, I have respect for everybody, every litigant who appears before me। लेकिन जो कोर्ट का प्रोसीजर है उसको हम कभी भी किसी एक व्यक्ति विशेष के लिए हम इधर उधर नहीं करेंगे। saying that, still saying that, since you are alleging bias, लेकिन मैंने क्योंकि अपनी जजमेंट प्रोनाउंस करने के लिए 230 ऑलरेडी जा चुकी है, I will take it on record not as a rejoinder but as a written submission. I'll treat it as a written submission. You give it to me on record and I will deal with it in my judgment. And now since the judgment is reserved for 230, you are giving me some additional, who is giving, इनका नाम लिख लीजिए जो भी दे रहे हैं, on his behalf. Have you authorized him? क्या नाम है आपका? आपने इनको ऑथराइज किया है ना ये देने के लिए, मिस्टर केजरीवाल?
यस,
आपने
मैंने ऑथराइज किया मैम।
हाँ जी,
मैंने ऑथराइज
तो
किया।
उन्होंने ऑथराइज किया है, तो मैं ये रिकॉर्ड पर ले रही हूँ एज रिटन सबमिशन ऑफ श्री केजरीवाल गोइंग आउट ऑफ द वे,
थैंक यू
so
सो
that
मच।
he does not, so that he does not feel tomorrow that he has not been heard. Though on the last date of hearing, this court, while his affidavit had been taken on record, made it amply clear that this case will not be reopened for arguments. Still, I am taking on record, giving this indulgence to Mr. Kejriwal, and this will be treated as additionally, क्योंकि पहली बार ही फाइल कर रहे हैं, तो written submissions. Since the judgment is already listed for pronouncement at 2:30, in view of the fact that now Shri Kejriwal has also given a 3-page, 4-page additional listing, which are being treated as written submissions, the judgment will now be pronounced.
Not this, I respectfully bow down to what the honorable bench has decided, but the CBI is aggrieved, my lord. But for peculiar circumstances and my lord, abusive allegations, but possibly no other my lord, Aam Aadmi would have got this special extra benefit. Anyway, my lord, it is entirely a
Like I
honorable
already
court's
told him.
discretion, and I bow down to that discretion.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm grateful.
Look, may I only submit one thing?
Yes, please.
Since your ladyship has rejected the request made by the SG regarding the procedure to be followed, your ladyship may also see that he may say, I did not give the authorization.
Yes, my lord. I second Mr.
Mr.
Raj.
Akshay, where is your authorization letter? You don't have any? Shri Akshay, who appears in court, states that he does not have an authorization letter.
I'm
However,
submitting.
एक
I'm
मिनट रुकिए. However, Shri Kejriwal is appearing through VC, and since he doesn't need any identification, he states at bar that he has authorized Shri Akshay. अपना enrollment number please बता दीजिएगा. So इनका enrollment number लिख लीजिए. So Mr. Raju, अब मैंने इनका at bar statement लिख लिया Mr. Kejriwal का, that he has authorized him to.
They have not engaged any lawyer. It's a wrong statement. He's engaged Akshay right now. It's a wrong statement.
My lord, his affidavit is drafted by a lawyer. My lord, this is happening that somebody files an affidavit and party in person argues. Maybe, my lord, the arguments and the allegations and insinuations which are made, no responsible lawyer is ready to make. I didn't want to say this.
Right. Okay.
Thank you.
But you just said it. Okay. Right.
Thank you.
Next case.